Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Mahanagar Gas, which is a portfolio stock which has not done anything over the last 4 or 5 years if you look at the returns, but it is a very decent business. So let's understand about it. Let's get started. First of all, disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Mahanagar Gas, a small request, you can support me on Patreon. Once you do that, it helps me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and seek out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 16% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join the YouTube membership, which is monthly, and you can pay with different, you can say, mode of payments. Now, about the company established in 1996, they provide piped natural gas, Mahanagar Gas, and headquartered in Mumbai, has around 2000 plus employees. It is a leader in its space, and very few competitors that are currently in the market have distribution across India, especially in metro areas. Huge scope for expansion of business into different areas going forward. Market cap of the company is only 8,500 crores at the moment. If you look at the numbers, these are September quarter numbers, which are very, very good, very strong. Sales went up by around 65%, profit went up by around 41%. There's high institutional holding, but there's low promoter holding, which is a distraction. A completely zero debt company with an ROE of 24% and an operating profit margin of around 35%. If you look at the performance, then stock has been a rank underperformer, which has been surprising because if you look at the return ratios, if you look at the margins, if you look at profitability, growth, etc., everything looks good, but somehow the stock has not performed, and over a 5 year period, it has been an underperformer. In fact, no returns over 5 years, no return over 2 years, and the stock has fallen around 15-20% over the last 1 year, although the market has done reasonably well. Even if the market has gone down to 16,400, it has come out of it and is now nearing its all-time high. But this stock has not budged at all. So very attractive at these levels. There is high dividend payout. I believe that there's it's a matter of time before the stock starts performing going forward. Why I believe it is a buy at these levels is because there is low market cap for such a business. I believe the market cap for such a business should be beyond 20,000 crores. The future growth looks imminent once things normalize completely and there is expansion which is on the horizon for a long period of time. Then the profitability and growth will only expand going forward. It has been consolidating for at least for 2 years. It has been consolidating or declining. I don't see much downside, so it is one of the most reasonably valued stock in the market, which you can say is a very, you can say, fundamentally very strong company, which is coming at extremely attractive levels. So for someone who wants to invest for 4, 5, 6 year time frame, keep on accumulating between 950 860 in this region, and it should continue to do well. It is a big consumption play, and it is a nearly a monopolistic business with the kind of business that it is doing, and there is high barrier to entry. So overall the business looks very good. It's just that the stock has not performed, which could happen going forward. So, in my opinion, buy on major declines, and even at current market price, start buying, do an SIP into the stock, and whenever it goes up beyond 920, 930, increase your holding. It's a 5 year play, 3 to 5 year play, and may test your patience, which it has done for most of the investors, I understand. But the kind of business that it is very, very hard to think that it will continue to be at 8,000, 9,000 crore market cap. Have a long term view, and it could easily become a 25-30,000 crore market cap company going forward. Have less than 10% exposure into such stocks. So this was my video on Mahanagar Gas. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.